Evening, Tapanji, and
Good evening,
all my
Jaideep ji.
actually uh, my portfolio was in the red when I had joined yours. Uh, Actually, another problem with me is I am unable to join frequently. Many
Okay.
times I miss your sessions, but still I try to join.
Mhm.
I join late also because of my other schedules. So, but now my portfolio is in the green and around 13 to 14% growth.
Congratulations,
A
Jaideep
very
ji.
important statement you had made that touched me, and I am trying to work it out. That is, do not marry a stock.
Mhm.
So it has worked for me. That I remember this statement.
Mhm.
So I had few loss making stocks. Slowly, I have come out of most of them, and few I am also exiting. Uh, that has helped me.
Good, good.
Now I am also going through your recommendations, these videos also. I think that will be helpful. I am also a diamond member. You have reviewed my portfolio once.
Yeah, yeah, last time. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. So looking forward that after the changes I am making to my portfolio, I will again get it reviewed by you.
Yeah,
So
sure, sure.
definitely these sessions are helpful. It has helped me. So that I wanted to share.
Thanks,
That's
Jaideep.